Study diligently. Mastering the art of effective learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, study diligently. This phrase is not just about studying, but it's about how you study. We'll delve into what it truly means to study diligently and how you can apply this in your daily learning routine. So, let's get started. The phrase, study diligently, is made up of two powerful words, study and diligently. Study means to learn about a subject, usually by reading or attending classes. On the other hand, diligently means doing something with careful and consistent effort. So, when you combine these two words, you get a powerful concept. Studying diligently means learning with care, attention, and consistent effort. Studying diligently is crucial for several reasons. 1. Better understanding. When you study diligently, you understand the material at a deeper level. 2. Retention. Careful and consistent studying helps in retaining the information for a longer period. 3. Performance. Students who study diligently tend to perform better in exams and class discussions. 4. Skill development. This habit not only helps in academics but also in developing personal discipline and work ethic. To study diligently, consider the following tips. 1. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve in each study session. 2. Create a study plan. Organize your study material and time. 3. Focus on understanding. Don't just memorize. Strive to understand the concepts. 4. Practice consistently. Regular revision and practice are key to diligent studying. 5. Seek feedback. Always be open to feedback and ready to improve. Studying diligently is a powerful approach to learning. It's about being focused, consistent, and thorough in your studies. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of studying diligently and how you can apply this in your learning journey. Remember, it's not just about reading the pages, it's about understanding them and making the knowledge a part of your life. Happy studying, and see you in the next video.